Hey, what's going on? Tony here from howtobuyandSellYourCars.com. And in this quick video, we're going to talk about the 5 top cars to flip for profit. Of course, this is my opinion through my experience through 20 years of flipping cars for profit. I know I look young, but I've been actually flipped my first car since I was 15 years old, my first scooter when I was 13 years old. Anyway, we're going to be talking about the 5 best cars to flip in the Asian market. All right, and they're in no order. Okay, I just wrote them down. And then we have some additional ones. So number 1, Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Subaru, and I kind of put Honda last because Honda, a little harder to find good deals, okay? And when I mean good deals, deals where you can have room for value add, then you make your profit, right? There's a lot that goes into this, but it's really simple once you understand the concepts. So Toyotas, Camrys, Nissans, pretty much everything. The Sentras, Mazdas, the Mazda 3, Mazda 5, whatever, Subarus, Hondas, then you got the Hyundai, then you got Kia and Mitsubishi. So these are the top 5 Asian cars I like to flip for profit. And then if you want to add a little bit more, if you can find deals with these, find deals with these. But it's most important. People ask me all the time, Tony, what are the best cars to flip? Number 1, do your market research, because you may be living in a community, in a city that people like American cars more than, you see more American cars driving around, right? So basically, that's pretty much telling you that, hey, maybe you should look for American car deals. You know what I mean? But overall, across the US, overall, Asian cars have a very, very good track record. They're more dependable. They're a little bit more expensive than the general GM cars that you flip for profit, but they last longer. And what are the top features? Well, the top features are pretty much, let's write it down here. Let's do it in red. Okay, the top features I like to use when flipping cars for profit is, not I like to use, but I like to have 4-cylinder cars. Now, there's a lot of 6-cylinder cars that are really good on fuel and economy, but 4-cylinder always sells good no matter what type of economy you're in, especially in a downtrend economy, because people want to save on gas. Gas goes up, economy's tanking, people want to save on gas, but they still need transportation. So 4-cylinder cars, and also a must-have is cold AC and heat. It's very hard flipping a car without AC or heat working, all right? Especially if you're in areas where it does get a little bit colder and warmer during the seasons, you're gonna need that, okay? Power windows, depends pretty much, most cars now have power windows, unless you're working on a 67 Chevelle Classic like I have there, it's non-power. Anyway, it's Tony here from howtobuyandSellYourCars.com. Comment below, let me know what you think. Of course, there's a lot more that goes into this. We can get into value add tips, how to add value to cars, how to find the best deals, and so much more. So what I'm doing right now is a free training. I'm not sure when it's going to be going on, but if you click here, you'll be able to check the date of a free training, about 1-hour training that you're going to learn everything in depth on how you could literally turn nothing into $2,000 or $3,000 profit on a weekend if you want to. It's literally like an ATM machine. If you know how to spot the deals, if you know how to flip cars for profit, it's literally making cash on demand. And that's what allowed me to basically come up in life, to use this skill set as a stepping stone to invest in real estate, to invest in other assets and cryptocurrency, whatever you're doing, stocks, bonds, whatever. Here's one of my flips that I actually didn't sell. I had it for sale. Some guy was going to give me a bunch of Ethereum for it. He fell through on a deal, so I said, screw it, I'll just hold on to it for now. It's not like I am in a rush to get rid of it. I actually bought it to keep. I wasn't buying it to flip. That's the problem. And I put a little bit more money in it than I should. I mean, I didn't put a lot of money in it. Let's put it that way. I just don't want to get rid of it for the prices that I was getting for it. You know, $7,500. I kind of don't want to let it go for $7,500. I was getting $7,500 cash offers all day long on it, but I want to get probably closer to 85, 9,000, maybe even 10,000. So I don't care. I'll keep it for now. It's a cool, awesome ride. I love these Miatas. I actually flipped a lot of these Miatas before. So anyway, it's Tony here from howtobuyandSellYourCars.com. If you want to learn how to flip cars for profit, Doesn't matter how young you are or how old you are, you can do this. I started at 13 years old flipping scooters, 15 flipping my first car. Click here to learn more. Click down below, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like this info. We got more info like this coming up. I actually get deeper into this if you check out some of my trainings. So it's Tony. Talk soon. Have a great day. Bye.